Alright, so I'm back home from Kentucky. It was a long travel day and I'm excited to be home and to be back with my family. Miss them a lot and excited to just get back to the regular schedule. I had a lot of fun in Kentucky at GIE. Met with a lot of good friends and met a lot of really good people, and that place is just massive. There's so much to do, so much to see, and I really enjoyed being able to learn about new products coming to market and try out new machines that are coming to market and just have a lot of fun. It was really a blast, and like I said, I'm excited to be home and just get back into the normal swing of things again. So with this video, I just wanted to kind of show you some highlights from my trip, and then I wanted to just go ahead and announce a meetup that's going to be happening at the end of the week here in Utah. So with that, let's get started. So like I said, there is going to be a meetup here in Utah. Ben Sims from Lawn Tips is going to be here in Utah, and we're just going to get together, have a little meetup, hang out, and have some fun. I'm really looking forward to that. Ben's a super nice guy. I'm really excited that he's able to come to the States and hang out with us. So that's going to take place on Thursday the 24th, which is this coming Thursday. So if you're in the area and can come hang out with us, come on down. We're going to be at the Golden Corral in Layton, Utah. That's the one on Heritage Park Boulevard. So we're going to start that at 7 o'clock. So hope you can make that and hope to see you there and hang out for a little bit. So that's going to go ahead and do it for me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.